Hello guys, today we are going to discuss how to determine the factorial of a given integer using Python programming. Let's begin. This is a comment as it starts with a hash sign, and this Python program determines the factorial of a given integer. I have discussed about these comments in my previous video. If you haven't seen that, then check out the description. There is link below and please watch that video. These comments are useful because you can write any reminder or short notes in anywhere in between your programming. So let's roll. It's done. What I have done here is the at first the system will ask for the number as input from the user. So here that is equal en, and n will be any integer, and will always be the input will always be an integer. So I have written here int, and after that in this bracket input enter the number, and this quoted text here is called anything you write under this quotation marks is a string, and that is more like a statement. The system doesn't read them as integers or numbers. Then I have given a name, a prod, and stored the value 1 in it. And you can give it any name you like, factorial or anything you like. And then I have run a for loop for I in range. I is the dummy index, and n the range starts from n, the value you will give to the system that will start from n, and will here the syntax is like that. This is the starting point, comma, this is the ending point. This defines the ending point actually, and this is the common difference, -1 here. So here the range is starting from n, let's say from 5. When n is equal to 5, then the loop will continue from starting from 5 to 2, because here starting from n it will go like 5 first, it will come 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, and that will be the place where the loop will stop, because multiplying a number with 1 or don't doing it is same. And here 1, because you have to write it in this manner when it is decreasing, because the common difference is -1, so it is a decreasing order. So 5, 4, 3, 2, if you want to run the loop till 2, then you have to write here the previous number than that. So I have done that here. This means the loop will run up to 2, and if I wanted to run it up to 1, then I have given it here 0. So you understand that. But I haven't done that because multiplying with 1 or not doing so is same. So for the first time, at the first step, when I is equal to 5, that means n is equal to 5, and so I is equal to 5. At the first step of this for loop, a prod is stored as 1. The new a prod will be 1 into 5, because I is equal to 5, that that will be stored in a prod. The second step for the in the for loop, that will be the now the I will be equal to 4, because the common difference is -1. So the new prod will be 5 into 4. In this way, the result will be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, and that's it. So I have printed the result, and that's it. Let's run it. And one thing, if I give here n is equal to 0, then the for loop will not run, because it will be out of range. So a prod will be then equal to 1, and that will be just that value will be printed. So in that case, the value will be just fine, because it's a correct value. Now I have saved it in desktop for my convenience, and this is a .txt extension file, and you can use .py files with .py extension, because those are originally the Python files, but I'm using Windows and this is Python version 3.7. .txt extensions just work as well for me, so I use those. Opened my command prompt and changing directory cd to desktop, because that's where the file is saved, and I'm running the file. Let's say 5, that's correct. Let's say 0, that's correct. So I guess you understood this, and if you have any problem, any questions, then please feel free to ask me below, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks.